Hey Jenny Boo Boo. Jenny Nicotina, you know. I like seen you today, and I said hi to you today, and I gave you a hug today, and you were like, hi, and I was like, hey. So like, what are you doing? Like, that's cool. I'm making you a video with my pom-pom from Bullard, because that's my first high school that I went to, you know. But yeah, how do you like your freshman year? I'm hoping you like it, because mine was pretty gay. I didn't like it. But my sophomore year is going pretty good. Yeah. So like, look at how white my stomach is, dude. Look at how dark I am. Ew, look at my fat arms. But yeah, okay, so anyways, what if I was like a ninja, dude? Whoa, I feel like an Arabian. Alright, well, I'm gonna stop because I have to make like 3 other videos. So like 3 too many, dude. But yeah, I gotta go. So like, see you tomorrow, girl. Oh, you should go to the freshman tailgate game. I heard it should be really fun. I've never been to one. At least I don't think I have. But yeah, you should go, have fun, you know, party, look cute, you know. Gotta fix this right here, you know. Alright, well, I'm gonna go. Bye.